Stay tuned to see the first steps that I take after taking down my protective style. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I am going to be showing you how I prep my hair for wash day after taking down my protective style. So I'm taking down my 3-week-old spring twist that I installed myself. I will link the video up above. This was my first time doing my own protective style on myself, and I absolutely loved it. So I started out by sectioning my hair, and I'm going to take down the twist in this section and then begin to add the PrePoo. So normally I keep my protective styles up no more than 4 to 6 weeks. This was only a 3-week style, and not that it looked really bad, I was just ready to do something new to my hair. We all know how that is. So I did get some frizz in some sections with the spring twist, but overall this was definitely one of my favorite protective styles. So my twists are out in this section and my hair still feels very moisturized, and that's the key to protective styling. You want to make sure that your hair is protected and moisturized underneath. So the PrePoo of choice that I'm going to be using today is my Nature's Little Secret Fenugreek Detangling PrePoo. This is definitely one of my favorite PrePoos. I will leave all the information for this PrePoo in the description box, as well as my discount code. So the first step was to go in and spritz my hair with some water, and then I'm going to apply the PrePoo to help me detangle. And when I say the slip, this PrePoo has amazing slip, gives a ton of moisture, and it got my curls popping. Stay tuned. So I always start with finger detangling first, and then I'm going in with my coil brush to do some more detangling before twisting up this section. And I'll also link the information for the coil brush in the description box as well. But can we get into these curls? Yes, the curls are back. So again, I spritz my hair with water, I add the PrePoo, I finger detangle, then I go in with my coil brush, twist up that section, and then I'm just going to repeat these same steps throughout the rest of my hair. So let me tell you a little bit about this PrePoo. So this is the Fenugreek Detangling PrePoo, and fenugreek is one of the oldest herbs used for cooking, but this ancient spice is excellent for hair care. Now, fenugreek has been known to help with hair growth and various scalp issues. This PrePoo will melt your tangles away while promoting hair growth, softening the hair, and strengthening your hair follicles. This PrePoo contains some ingredients such as fenugreek, Irish moss, red rose, aloe vera, olive oil, safflower oil, sunflower oil, and peppermint oil. I highly recommend this Nature's Little Secret Fenugreek Detangling PrePoo. Let me know in the comments below if you use a PrePoo, and if you do, what PrePoo you use. Now, I do not use a PrePoo every wash day, but I do use a PrePoo anytime I do protective styling. So as soon as I take my protective style out, I use a PrePoo. And if my hair is really tangled, then I will also use a PrePoo on wash day. If you use a PrePoo, let me know in the comments how often you use PrePoos. And for those of you wondering what is a PrePoo is the process of applying a treatment to your hair before actually shampooing it. This treatment provides your hair with a protective layer, and it's helpful because shampooing can strip moisture from your hair. Some benefits of PrePooing are: it adds extra moisture to dry hair, promotes softer and vibrant hair, it makes it easier to detangle your hair, and it boosts the effectiveness of your conditioner, which results in stronger hair and less breakage. I know you're thinking this is a wash and go, but no, it's not. This is just the PrePoo in my hair with the twists taken out. Yes, the Nature's Little Secret Fenugreek Detangling PrePoo. Hope you guys have enjoyed this video and check out this product. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share, and I will see you in my next video.